Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome back again with Connect to Pritam. So here guys, I'm again with a new video and this is a very important video for you. Might be a very important opportunity for you in the field of trading, especially in a binary option. Today I'm gonna show you a best a platform for looking best time to entry in the trade, best time to take a trade, and overview of the market. So guys, of what I am talking about, this is called MT Trader. MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you might have listened. This is a forex market platform, and this platform not provide binary options. I think so. So today I will tell you about that how my trading style will help you to find out the good opportunity to entry in the trade at one time with the six pair of the chart. So guys, today please watch this video carefully and don't skip at all if you want to learn more about MetaTrader 5. Because today I will show you in that videos about the MetaTrader 5 and all the settings. Then please go ahead. So I am going to show you. This is a MetaTrader platform, and in this trading platform I have some settings and profile which is already saved by me earlier. So I am going to set my platform and strategy. So look at this chart guys. मैंने इसमें कुछ सेटिंग्स कर रखी है, मैं उसको आपको बता देता हूँ. उसको बताने से पहले आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट before looking to MT Trader 5 this chart pattern, you must have the knowledge of few things like a chart pattern, candlestick analysis, knowledge of some indicator like Bollinger Band, moving average, and various type of trend, a lot of things you should at least know about this. If you are if you are in basic phase, then I will also teach you how this is working. So guys, these are the platform of MT5, because I use this platform because at a time I can view all the six pair of chart which is a major pair of forex market. The reason behind switching to this platform is only because in IQ option you might have listened that if you are selecting the six styles here, you might find a lot of noise and not a quick review, not a quick here a view. That's why I have switched myself to that platform, because here you can see a lot of things in a very small view. So let's talk about the setting. जो मैंने यहाँ पे सेटिंग कर रखी है, दिस इज अ बुलिंजर बैंड एंड द बुलिंजर बैंड, दिस इज अ 8 पीरियड ऑफ बुलिंजर बैंड. वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. सो दिस इज अ चार्ट, and if you are thinking that this is a Bollinger Band, and Bollinger Band जो पीरियड है वो हमारा 8 पीरियड का है, और जो हमारा डेविएशन है वो 2 डिवीजन का है. जो हमारा डेविएशन है वो 2 डिवीजन का है. इसमें जो एक काले कलर की आपको लाइन दिख रही है, दिस इज अ मूविंग एवरेज, एंड दिस मूविंग एवरेज इज अ 14 पीरियड. दिस इज a 14 period of moving average, and my strategy is that if uh, if the market is suppose in uptrend, in those cases all the candlesticks should be made above this center 8 period of SMA and 14 period of the moving average, exponential moving average. So guys, this is overall my strategies, so I will tell you, so keep watching. So I am looking for some opportunity in that particular chart. So guys, मैं आपको जैसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है मैं आपको बताऊंगा. देखिए यहाँ पे ये बुलिंजर बैंड मैंने ड्रॉ करके रखा हुआ है. यहाँ पे देखिए, मैं एक चीज आपको बता दूं, ऑलवेज टेक अ ट्रेंड इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ ट्रेंड ऑलवेज, वेदर दिस इज अ माइनर ट्रेंड और मेजर ट्रेंड. but especially you should go with a minor trend, because this is a short period of time frame, at least 1 minute, so you can't go with a high and major time frame, because a little lot of candles are made in a few minor trend. So let's wait here. I'm opened total 6 pair of the currencies here. So I'm looking still for the a good opportunity. So my first criteria is a trend. Let's show here. I'm opening each one by one. This is a Euro USD, and if you find the opportunity in MetaTrader 5, then you can switch to here and for further analysis. But first of all, you should take a glance from that here. In this way, you can find out a lot of target opportunity, trading opportunity. You can't wait more for the trading opportunity, because in that IQ option platform, you have to switch all time this chart. So here, this is the GBP and let's draw some a label, a trend line. I'm drawing this trend line here. So our next level is here, and this is a strong upward momentum. So I am waiting, but here is a level, so I will not go in the same trend. So I am waiting. Here this is a strong candle in USD CAD, no problem. Here also there is no trading opportunity. Here also there is no trading opportunity. So still I am not getting any trading opportunity. I am looking for the another chart. This is a next level. That's why I was not taking a place, because this might be a seller entry from that areas. So what's happened in USD JPY? आप ना हमेशा लेबल ड्रा करके रखो, आप हमेशा ट्राई करो लेबल फाइंड आउट करने की। यहाँ पे कहाँ से ऑलवेज आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है। देखिए ये हमारा एक ट्रेंड है जो अप ट्रेंड में है मार्केट यहाँ से, बट ये हमारी जो प्रीवियस कैंडल थी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल थी, और इसने हमारा जो 8 पीरियड का समय है इसको क्रॉस किया हुआ है। सो यहाँ पे मैं ट्रेड अगेंस्ट ट्रेड नहीं ले सकता। यहाँ पे हमारे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी अभी भी है, क्योंकि बट मैं यहाँ पे इसलिए ट्रेड नहीं ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने ये ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ करके रखा हुआ है, और देखिए यहाँ पे सपोर्ट किया हुआ है इसने मार्केट में। यहाँ पे सपोर्ट है, यहाँ पे भी सपोर्ट है, 2 सपोर्ट के बाद तीसरा सपोर्ट आज लेट चुका है। तो मैं यहाँ पे वेट करूंगा, इससे मैं ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटी पे मैं थोड़ा सा अवॉइड करूंगा ट्रेड लेना। यहाँ पे देखिए इसने नया हाई नहीं बनाया है, सो मैं यहाँ पे अवॉइड करूंगा ट्रेड लेना। आप थोड़ा सा वेट कीजिए, आप थोड़ा सा ना बिल्कुल हरी में मत रहिए कि मुझे तुरंत ट्रेड लेनी है, तुरंत हर एक कैंडल पर ट्रेड लेनी है। डोंट टेक ओवर ट्रेड, ऑलवेज वेट फॉर लेस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड विच विल बी फ्रूटफुल फॉर यू। सो आई एम स्विचिंग अगेन टू MT5 for finding the opportunity. Okay, I think USD JPY is a USD JPY here. This is a long, this is a very bad market actually. You can see a very little volume seen in the market, so this type of market is not a good market. No problem, I'm looking for still waiting for trade. If I got the trade, I will show you here in USD JPY. This is a doji candle, already you have seen in IQ option platform, so no problem. I am still waiting for a good opportunity. Here this is a breakout. Okay, this is now an opportunity, because here this market is getting down, so this candle has making a new low and the next level is here, so I will go with sellers. But here this is a problem, this is making a strong candle, so I will not trade here. Always go with the trend, guys, don't go against the trend ever. Here this is opportunity. Okay, I will go with sellers, because I have gone with seller because this is a kind of a spinning top, and see, this is the very strong downward momentum of seller. That's why I have placed here the lower option. And one thing I want to show you, this is the downtrend market here for the okay, here. I am still waiting for this candle to close below that area. Due to this spinning top, I think that this candle should must be a red candle. My entry was little bit late, but no problem. This is a winning trade. And let's explain about this candle on which basis I have placed here. See here guys, this was a market. Since this is the major trend was uptrend, but for last half an hour, this market is coming down and this pattern is following. In that cases, what I have seen here, the next level was here. The next level was here, and this is a very strong sellers momentum. And this is a spinning top, and I have already made a video on spinning top, that if spinning top made between the trend, and if there is no any SNR level, then the market sign is the continuation of the trend. That's why I have placed here the trade in the lower direction, and this was my first trade. So I am looking for again in another trend and on the MT5. Here in MT5 guys, I am looking for a good trade. If I got, then I will trade. आप कभी भी हरी मत दिखाइए गाइस, आप डिसिप्लिन के साथ ट्रेडिंग कीजिए, बेस्ट टाइम के साथ ट्रेडिंग कीजिए। आप अगर डेमो अकाउंट पे भी ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं तो आप वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा साइकोलॉजिकल आप ये समझिए कि हाँ दिस इज माय रियल अकाउंट। बिकॉज आप डेमो अकाउंट पे आप बहुत अच्छा जीत रहे होगे, बहुत अच्छा आप विन कर रहे होगे ट्रेड, बट आप जैसे आप रियल अकाउंट पे स्विच करते हो आप वहाँ पे लॉस करने लगते हो। गाइस इसके पीछे बहुत साइकोलॉजी है, इसके पीछे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको आपके माइंड को कंसंट्रेट करना पड़ेगा, अपने माइंड को डेविएट नहीं होने देना है। आपको बिल्कुल डिसिप्लिन के साथ ट्रेड लेनी है। सम टाइम क्या होता है, हम ट्रेड लेते रहते हैं, हमारे ख्यालात कहीं और रहते हैं, हम कहीं और चीज़ों में उलझे रहते हैं जिनका सीधा निगेटिव इफेक्ट पड़ता है मार्केट में। सो अपने आप को स्ट्रांग बनाओ, इमोशनली स्ट्रांग बनो, बट डोंट ट्रेड इन इमोशन। USD CAD here, this is a downtrend market and still next level is below. That's why I have placed here the trade in the down direction, because this is a downtrend market and this is a sign of continuation of the trend here. That's why I have placed here the trade, and our next level is below. That's why I placed here the trade. Let's see the result. My entry was little bit late, but no problem. Okay, there is ATM. This is neither. Still I am looking for it, but here this candle has not making any new low, so I will avoid the trade at that area. I'm looking for trade. I think this will go down. Okay, this will go down because in spite of having a rejection from the lower side, the sellers are making a new closing price here. Because if buyers are very effective, then that candle should not be new closing price, but here this is still a chances that the market wants to go some more down. That's why I have placed here the lower direction, and here you can see this is a very good momentum of the seller. That's why I placed here the trade. Here guys, this is the downtrend market, and here this is the sign that strong Marubozu candle are meet. Still this is a very strong candle, and this candle showing some interest of buyers, but not enough to push the market above this level, and this is a previous support level. So here again the market closes below the previous level, and again this candle is a sign that market wants to some go more down, and this is a spinning top candle. That's why I have placed here the trade. So guys, this was my second trade. Again I am watching for MT5 traders, and I'm looking for some opportunity. Okay, not any opportunity. This is a market, guys. Sometimes you will find a lot of opportunity and sometimes you will not. Here this is a GBP and I have seen some opportunity in GBP but the market is getting some more down. If this will go at that places, here I can go with the rejection from the lower side, because here this is a level. So I have placed here the against the trend, because here this is a level and the market was in extreme downtrend. That's why I placed here the trade, because this is the extreme level for the previous time. This was a very strong candle. That's why I have placed here the safety of margin trade, because this is a very strong level. That's why I have placed here the trade. So let's wait. ऐसे गाइज आपको बिल्कुल हरी नहीं दिखानी है, आपको मार्केट देगी अपॉर्चुनिटी। आप थोड़ा सा मतलब पेशेंस के साथ आप ट्रेड लेंगे, आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी मार्केट में। देखो ये श्योर मैं यहाँ पे ये विन होगी ट्रेड। देखो यहाँ पे मैंने ट्रेड किस ले लिया, यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करके बता देता हूँ यहाँ पे मैंने ट्रेड किस ले लिया हुआ है। देखिए यहाँ पे मैं वैसे तो मैं डाउन के लिए ट्रेड लेने वाला था, जो कि वो भी सही हुआ। यहाँ पे डाउन के लिए मुझे ट्रेड मिली है, बट हमारी लेट एंट्री थी, बट हमें नीचे से भी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी। अपॉर्चुनिटी इसलिए मिली क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी ड्रा करके रखा हुआ था। इसने वहाँ एक जगह यहाँ से रिजेक्शन दिया, 2 जगह रिजेक्शन दिया, 3 जगह रिजेक्शन दिया, 4 जगह रिजेक्शन दिया, 5 जगह। अ लॉट ऑफ रिजेक्शंस आर देयर एट दैट particular area. That's why this is a sign that market can't break this level easily. But in below in but in 30 seconds what I've seen that this candle already covered this level. So I was sure that this candle might be above this level. That's why I placed here the trend, and this was the winning trade. So guys, this video is getting too long, so see you in the next session. And guys, if you want to plot this chart on the MT5, you can directly contact me on my Telegram channel. This is at Join Pritham, and you can also contact me on Facebook pages and always on Instagram. So guys, keep subscribing and keep like my video. If you any doubt with my this video, you can directly comment in the comment box and you can ask any question. So guys, thanks for watching this video and thanks for loving me. Bye gradually. Take care. Bye bye.